Introducing the PolarFire FPGA Ethernet Sensor Bridge, an advanced platform for real-time high-throughput sensor data processing tailored to AI-driven applications. Engineered for high-speed, reliable data capture, the Ethernet Sensor Bridge converts MIPI CSI-2 4K 60 video into proprietary 10 gigabit Ethernet streams, creating a seamless pipeline from sensor to processing and enabling smooth integration with AI platforms utilizing the NVIDIA Holoscan SDK. Whether it's a surgical robot navigating through complex anatomy, an autonomous industrial robot making split-second decisions, or a high-resolution medical imaging device, an edge application demands fast, secure, and accurate sensor data processing. The PolarFire FPGA Ethernet Sensor Bridge does exactly that. It integrates various sensors into a unified AI processing platform that allows real-time data analysis and actionable insights. With support for additional protocols such as CoaXPress, SLVS-EC, SDI, and JESD204B in development, the Ethernet Sensor Bridge is a future-proof solution that can evolve as your application needs change. Unlock the full potential of high-performance sensor data with the PolarFire FPGA Ethernet Sensor Bridge. Contact us to learn more about future protocol support and deployment options.